Guys, look. This is my second day of playing and I already this second day of playing, bro. Second day of playing. Yeah. Second day of playing. This and this. They're so large. I think this is bad, I think. And it makes 1,000 per second. 1,000. This will make me rich if I go offline. Okay. Let me collect all of the money. There's so many. There's my garden. I have all frost the palm. Nee. Yes. Okay. I must buy you all the fries. Wait. Frost blower. No. I used it on the wrong one. By the way, I have 1 million of Los Trialitas. I must buy you all the fries. Yep, butter. Yeah. This is the best day of my life. I only got this now. Oh my god, this is my favorite. This is my favorite game now. I must sell you all the fries. Okay, this gear is the most handy and the like the freeze bomb. Yeah, the frost grenade. Yeah, this. I must sell you all the fries. This is my favorite gear. Yeah, because it launches and it launches players and it does 500 damage to brain rats. Oh my gosh. And yeah, do I have the biggest Orcalelo? And the biggest this thing because I have I think I have the biggest strawberry because nobody would grow this because this is only rare and it's bad. But yeah, I have the biggest one. I think. I only think, bro. What? Frost grenade, bro, bro. Frost grenade. Gears. Frost grenade. Frost blower. Okay. How do I? Double. Double trouble. Wait. Bro. Is this the biggest burger ballerina? Wait, I can one shot the burger patapim by just buying the carrot launcher. Okay, what's the? I knew it. It was in stock. But still no stock of this. And I really like buying these things. Hey, Frost. Yes, gotcha. I must sell you all the fries. Carrot launcher. Yes, this. Diamond is a diamond. It's diamond. Who got the diamond? Oh wait, nobody. Nobody in my garden had the diamond. None of my plants. Oh wait, I was about to use that. Orangutini ananas asini. How does it keep like I don't know. What plot should I place here? I think I should place. I think I should put this one. One shot. Wait, what? 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 What is? What the? Wait, that's. And should buy you all the fries. Yes, got them. Wait, how did I favorite this? I need the rebirth and I don't want to use all of my brain rots. So I'm gonna give. Oh, wait, no, I have fur bar. Okay, now. Bye. Bye bye.